Thriving in your 40s and beyond. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Are you approaching or currently in your 40s and feeling anxious about the future? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people experience a sense of uncertainty and fear as they enter this new decade of life. However, there is no need to view your 40s as a negative milestone. In this video, we will explore tips and strategies to help you make the most out of this stage of life and embrace all the possibilities it holds. So, let's dive into the world of thriving in your 40s and beyond. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos. Holistic. Thriving in your 40s is about more than just your physical health. It requires a holistic approach that takes into account all aspects of your well-being, mind, body, and soul. This section will explore how you can nurture your holistic well-being to truly thrive in your 40s and beyond. One key aspect of holistic well-being is self-care. In your 40s, it's important to prioritize self-care activities that replenish your energy and nourish your soul. This can include activities like meditation, journaling, or spending quality time with loved ones. Taking care of your mental and emotional health is equally important as taking care of your physical health. Another aspect of holistic well-being is finding balance in all areas of your life. As you navigate your 40s, you may find yourself juggling multiple roles and responsibilities. It's essential to set boundaries and create a schedule that allows you to prioritize self-care, work, family, and other important aspects of your life. Nurturing your relationships is also a key component of holistic well-being. In your 40s, it's common to have established friendships and relationships. However, it's important to nurture and invest in these connections to maintain and strengthen them. Make time for meaningful conversations, activities, and shared experiences with your loved ones. Finally, embracing a positive mindset is crucial for thriving in your 40s. Cultivate gratitude, practice self-compassion, and focus on the possibilities and opportunities that this stage of life brings. Embrace change, challenge limiting beliefs, and seek personal growth and development. Engaging recap of earlier videos. Today, let's quickly revisit our journey on WellnessWise for those thriving in their 40s and beyond. We explored holistic wellness, uncovered essential nutrients for a robust immune system, and delved into the benefits of vitamin C. Our focus on health and wellness in your 40s highlighted the pillars of self-care, exercise, nutrition, sleep, and stress management. Staying active and prioritizing fitness emerged as a key player, encouraging even beginners to initiate exercise. We also emphasized injury prevention and recovery for sports enthusiasts. In our latest episode, we uncovered the role of sunlight in supporting the immune system. This recap sets the stage for today's deeper exploration into why these insights are vital for those navigating their 40s. Understanding and embracing changes in your 40s. Entering your 40s is a significant milestone that brings about many changes, both internal and external. It's a decade where you may start to notice physical changes, such as changes in your metabolism, appearance, and energy levels. Emotionally, you may find yourself reflecting on past achievements and setting new goals for the future. Socially, your priorities and relationships may shift as you navigate different roles and responsibilities. Understanding and embracing these changes is key to thriving in your 40s and beyond. Rather than resisting or fearing them, it's important to view them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. This is a time to explore new interests, pursue new passions, and reinvent yourself. To embrace the changes in your 40s, start by acknowledging and accepting them. Remember that change is inevitable and a natural part of life. Instead of dwelling on the past or comparing yourself to others, focus on your own journey and personal growth. Celebrate your accomplishments and embrace the wisdom that comes with age. It's also important to reassess your priorities and make adjustments as needed. Your 40s can be a time of shifting focus, whether it's in your career, relationships, or personal goals. Take the time to reflect on what truly matters to you and align your choices and actions with your values and aspirations. Additionally, take care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. Prioritize self-care activities that support your well-being, such as exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate rest. Engage in activities that bring you joy and allow you to recharge. Finally, surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, and mentors who can provide guidance and encouragement during this transformative phase of life. Keys to physical well-being in your 40s and beyond. Maintaining physical well-being is crucial as you enter your 40s and beyond. Your body may undergo changes, such as a slower metabolism and a decline in muscle mass. but with the right strategies, you can optimize your health and vitality. One key aspect of physical well-being is regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity not only helps you maintain a healthy weight, but also improves cardiovascular health, boosts energy levels, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Aim for a combination of aerobic exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Another important aspect is balanced nutrition. As you age, your body may require fewer calories, but the need for nutrients remains the same or may even increase. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and limit your intake of added sugars and unhealthy fats. In addition to exercise and nutrition, adequate sleep is vital for your physical well-being. Getting enough sleep allows your body to repair and rejuvenate, supports immune function, and improves cognitive function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and establish a consistent sleep routine. Regular checkups and preventative measures are also essential for maintaining physical well-being in your 40s. Schedule routine screenings, such as mammograms and colonoscopies, as recommended by your healthcare provider. Mental health. Staying mentally sharp and balanced. In our fast-paced and demanding world, it's crucial to prioritize your mental health, especially as you navigate your 40s and beyond. Staying mentally sharp and balanced is essential for overall well-being and happiness. So how can you maintain a healthy mind and promote mental well-being? One key strategy is practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, without judgment. It can help you reduce stress, improve focus, and increase self-awareness. Consider incorporating mindfulness techniques into your daily routine, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply taking a few moments to pause and observe your thoughts and sensations. Another important aspect of staying mentally sharp is managing stress. Chronic stress can have negative effects on both your physical and mental health. It's important to find healthy coping mechanisms that work for you, whether it's exercise, engaging in hobbies, practicing relaxation techniques, or seeking support from loved ones or professionals. Engaging in activities that challenge and stimulate your mind is also key to staying mentally sharp. Keep learning and trying new things, whether it's through reading, taking up a new hobby, or pursuing further education. These activities can enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and promote a sense of fulfillment. Dynamic visuals. Get ready to feast your eyes on some dynamic visuals that will inspire and uplift you as you navigate your 40s and beyond. In this section, we'll explore the power of visual representation and its ability to evoke emotions and motivate positive change in your life. So how can you incorporate dynamic visuals into your life to enhance your well-being and thrive in your 40s? Here are a few ideas. 1. Create a vision board. Gather images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goals, dreams, and aspirations. Arrange them on a board or digital collage to create a visual representation of the life you desire. Place it somewhere you can see it daily to remind yourself of what you're working towards. 2. Surround yourself with inspiring artwork. Fill your home or workspace with art that resonates with you. Whether it's a painting, sculpture, or photograph, choose pieces that evoke positive emotions and reflect your values and interests. 3. Explore nature. Take time to immerse yourself in the beauty of the natural world. Visit parks, gardens, or beaches and soak in the sights and sounds of nature. Capture your experiences through photography or sketching to create your own dynamic visual diary. 4. Seek out uplifting videos. Watch motivational videos or documentaries that inspire personal growth and exploration. Find videos that align with your interests and goals, whether it's travel, adventure, wellness, or personal development. Let these videos fuel your passion and ignite your sense of possibility. Remember, dynamic visuals have the power to spark joy, inspire creativity, and remind us of the beauty and possibilities that exist in the world. So take the time to immerse yourself in these visuals and let them be a source of inspiration and motivation as you thrive in your 40s and beyond. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.